So we're going to do a video on indifference curves and budget lines, showing substitution and income effect of normal, inferior and Giffen goods. Okay, so hopefully you can see from the diagram that the budget line is shifted in from B1 to B2, indicating that the price of bananas has risen. So now we've added the indifference curves, I1 and I2, showing that the indifference curve is shifted in to meet the budget lines. So the equilibrium position has moved from X to Z. Now I've added a red line to isolate the income and substitution effects, showing that the consumer's behaviour has moved from X to Y to Z. So Y to Z shows the substitution effect, X to Y shows the income effect. Both are positive, moving in the same direction. Bananas here are normal goods. Okay, a similar set of diagrams now, and once again the price of bananas is increasing, shifting the budget line in from B1 to B2. When we add the indifference curves, we can see that the equilibrium position has shifted from X to Z. Once again, we put on the red line to show that the market has moved from X to Y to Z. X to Y is the substitution effect, that's positive, and Y to Z is the income effect, that's negative, but the substitution effect outweighs the income effect. They're moving in different directions. Bananas here are an inferior good. Third and final set of diagrams. Once again, the price of bananas is rising, shifting the budget line in. When we add our indifference curves, we can see that the equilibrium has shifted from X to Z. When we add our red line now, we can see that the market's moved from X to Y to Z. The X to Y is a substitution effect, that's positive, and Y to Z is the income effect, that's negative, so therefore it must be a type of inferior good. But now the income effect is larger than the substitution effect, so these bananas are now Giffen goods. I hope that's made it a bit easier to understand how we show income and substitution effect on these diagrams.